Hi everyone. Today we have brought to you a very interesting maths challenge. Let's see how many of you get it correct. So the scenario is there is a typist who is typing all natural numbers back to back from 1 to 1000 and she gets it correct in the first attempt. Wow, no mistakes. So the first question is how many total digits does she type? That is, how many digits in all numbers from 1 to 1000 put together. The next part of this challenge is how many times does she type the digit 7? And the final part of this challenge is if this number is truncated at the 100th digit, which means we keep only the first 100 digits of this number, then what will be the last 4 digits of that truncated number? Right, so if you have understood these questions well, you may grab a pen and a piece of paper and attempt them on your own. And once you are done, let's discuss. Let us discuss the first question now. How many total digits in all numbers from 1 to 1000 put together? Let's call this huge number as n. Clearly, n is made up of all single digit numbers, all double digit numbers, all triple digit numbers and the number 1000. So guys, to count the digits, we need to split these 1000 numbers according to the number of digits they contain. First, we have single digit numbers from 1 to 9, 9 numbers with 1 digit each, so a total of 9 digits. Then come the 2 digit numbers. Numbers from 10 to 99. How many total numbers? Well, the count of a range of numbers A to B both included is B minus A plus 1. Right, so 99 minus 10 plus 1. The logic is very simple. From 1 to 99, there are 99 numbers obviously. Subtract from this the count of numbers from 1 to 9, which is 1 less than 10, the starting number of this range. 99 minus 9 is 90 numbers with 2 digits each. That makes a total of 90 into 2, 180 digits. Next come the 3-digit numbers from 100 to 999. Total of 999 minus 99, that is 900 numbers, 3 digits each. So there would be a total of 900 into 3, that is 2700 digits in these numbers. And there would be only one 4-digit number, which is the number 1000. Its contribution is 4 digits. Total number of digits in all these numbers put together is 9 plus 180 plus 2700 plus 4, which makes 2893 digits. So that is the answer to our first challenge. Let us move on to the next question. Question number 2 is, how many times does she type the digit 7? Another fancy way of asking the same question would be, how many times does she press the key number 7? And for that matter, it could be any other digit like the number 4 maybe. The approach and even the answer will remain the same. So guys, one way of doing this question is to count all 7s one by one on fingertips. Now, I know that's too cumbersome, and what's the point of my asking you this question if I can't tell you a better method of solving it? Don't you think so? So the smarter approach is using the concept of combinations, and I personally love to teach permutations and combinations. So let me discuss that approach straight away. In the last number 1000, there is no 7. So let's drop that number. All other numbers, they are either single digit or 2 digits or 3 digits. Therefore, all 7s that occur either come at units place or at tens place or else at hundreds place. Let us take the count of 7s at units place. If we fill 7 in the units place, which can be done in one way, for the hundredth digit, we can pick any from 0 to 9, which makes 10 choices. Ditto for the tens place. Any digit from 0 to 9 can go into that. So 10 choices again. There would be a total of 100 numbers with 7 in the units place. Therefore, count of 7s in the units place is simply 100. This includes the single digit number 7. If you fill 0 in the tens place and 0 in the hundreds place, you get the single digit number 7, isn't it? This count also includes two-digit numbers like 37. Now let us count 7s in the tens place. If we fill 7 here, one way, then the units place can still be filled with digits from 0 to 9 in 10 ways. Similarly, the hundreds digit can be filled with digits from 0 to 9 in 10 ways. So what if we fill a 0 here? It will result in a two-digit number, and two-digit numbers are also included in our range. So 10 into 10, 100 numbers in all, that will have the number 7 at tens place. And finally, the count of 7s at hundreds place. If we fill 7 here, the rest two places can be filled in 10 and 10 ways. So 100 numbers in all. Count of 7s at hundreds place will again be 100. That makes the total count of 7s typed by that typist as 100 plus 100 plus 100, which is 300. And that is the answer to our second challenge. And finally, the third question says that if we truncate n at 100 digits, which means we keep only the first 100 digits of this number and discard the rest, then what will be the last 4 digits of this shortened number? And if I have to ask you a little more complicated but related question, I will ask you what is the remainder when this truncated number is divided by 16? You have to find the answer without dividing. And in case you figure out how to do that, do post your answers in the comments box below. Okay, so for now, the first 100 digits. Well, the first 9 digits are obviously made up of single digit numbers, numbers from 1 to 9. 100 minus 9 makes 91. So now we have to account for the next 91 digits. The next 91 digits will be contributed by two-digit numbers. So first thing to ask yourself is, how many two-digit numbers will account for 91 digits? For that, we just divide 91 by 2. And it gives us 45 two-digit numbers plus an extra digit, which will be the first digit of the 46th number. Can you tell me what are the first 45 double-digit numbers? What is the 45th two-digit number? Well, an easy way to do that is to see that count of numbers from 1 to 5 is 45. If we add 9 to the starting number of the range, which is 1, we get 10. 10 is the smallest two-digit number. Accordingly, we add 9 to the last number, 45. We get the number 54 as the last number of this range. So we will write 54. The next number is 55. So we write the first digit of that. The 10th digit of that number, which is 5 again. And this, by the way, is our 100th digit. And before 54, we have the number 53. So the last 4 digits will be 3545. So that brings us to an end of this video lesson. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, don't forget to press the like button and also do subscribe the channel. Here is a glimpse of other maths videos on our channel. So stay tuned and happy learning. Bye-bye.